We are gathered today on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Ava and Derrick.
Feels like we're going somewhere. Can't help but wear my heart on my sleeve. There's something special in the air when you're standing.
Your marriage must stand by the strength of your love, your faith, and support for each other. There is no relationship as intimate and as meaningful as those you are about to enter.
Let's remember together, this moment starts out forever. Let's remember.
Derrick, over the last 8 years, you've become my best friend. Spending time with you is time that's never wasted.
Ava, from the moment I laid eyes on you in high school, I knew you were the one for me. Even though that first moment involved you running off into the distance for cross-country practice and me huffing and puffing just trying to stay within eyeshot of you.
Fate snuck up and found us, shaping our souls lost at sea. Death alone can break us.
It doesn't matter what we're doing together. My head is quiet and my heart is full when I'm with you.
Let's remember together, this moment starts out forever. Let's remember.
You're caring, loving, kind, selfless, and everything a person could want in their lives, and I'm so lucky that you're in mine.
During the hard times, you've selflessly been my strength and comfort, my shoulder to cry on, my voice of reason, and my steady hand.
All my life, I do.
You truly make me a better person, and I love you so very much for that. Together we've overcome many obstacles, such as miles between us and life hardships. We've always come out on the other side stronger, though.
Let's remember together, this moment starts out forever.
We had each other's backs. We never let each other give up, and we came out stronger on the other side. Loving you over the past 8 years has taught me a lot about myself, but even more about you. You're a man of your word. You're honest, loyal, dependable.
This moment starts out forever.
As someone we both love and listen to once said, I'll follow you down to where forever lies. Without a doubt, I'm on your side. There's nowhere else that I would rather be.
Marriage is love walking hand in hand together. It is laughing with each other about silly little things and learning to discuss big things with care and tenderness. In marriage, love is trusting each other when you're apart. It's never being too old to hold hands. But more than anything, marriage is becoming a partner.
I promise to be by your side in all the good times and in the bad. I promise to love you unconditionally. Ultimately, I promise to be your rock and stand by your side forever, Ava.
So here's to all the times we've had the blessing to share, and here's to all the times that are still to come. I love you, Derrick Duncan, forever and always.
I pronounce you husband and wife. Derrick, you may kiss your ride.
Come on, let's go. We'll get away.
First time, Mr. and Mrs. Derrick Duncan.
Sky will take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high.
I'm glad our friendship has grown to a point where we started doing things together with everyone. Thank you, Derrick and Ava, for having me and allowing me to be a part of your special day. I love you both. Now let's raise our glasses and cheers to Derrick and Ava.
Stuck in a dream with my love. Feel the breeze, catch that feeling inside the mason jar like lightning bolts shining from afar. I guess I'll admit I don't want this to end. Got that chemistry, an oasis of the best energy. Come on, let's go. We'll get away.
Ava, growing up with you by my side has been the biggest blessing in my life. You brought light into my life, even at the darkest times. Dirk, you not only have supported Ava through some of the hardest times and losses in life, but you helped to support me and my entire family as well. The one thing I've always noticed throughout the past years is that you are always there. You're loyal, reliable, dependable, and faithful. Finally, I would like to raise a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Duncan, two of the most selfless, caring, loving, brave, and strong people that we know.